Windows Light Mode to Windows Dark Mode. Why? Because Windows Light Mode is really too bright and it can strain your eyes. And obviously now we're on our computers more than ever. So Windows Dark Mode will help from straining your eyes. And all you gotta do are 2 simple clicks. But before I show you, if you guys are going to find this helpful and want to support me, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. It's free and it's going to make my day. Let's get into how to do it. So you want to go to your search menu, which is on the bottom, and type in color settings. This is going to open up the color settings. And there are so many things you can do there. You can change your colors. You can also change your theme, which is light or dark. So as you can see, it's going to say choose your color. And all you have to do is choose dark instead of light. Now, if you want certain things to be light and certain things to be dark, choose custom. So once you click dark, it's going to take a couple of minutes to change everything, and then it's going to go everything dark. Now, you also notice that certain things are red, like when I open up my start, or like the top of this, you'll notice it's red, right? All you gotta do is choose your accent color. And I accidentally went to custom, one sec. So obviously, yeah. So all you gotta do is change your color. So I can make it orange. So you'll notice, one sec, everything turns orange. But I like red, so I'm gonna pick red. And it's gonna take a little, like a couple of seconds just to like quickly set up. Like you'll notice that my screen is frozen, right? You gotta wait for a couple of seconds. But once you do, it'll change everything to the color. And yeah guys, that's all for today. If you guys liked today's video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye guys.